Oh, we're gonna make it like a garlic herb butter. Mm-hmm. And Olivia, we could start with the garlics.
I do see breadcrumbs here.
That's it. Take the lid off. Okay. Good. Put all these in there. Okay. So what we're gonna do is what we did earlier is we separate the skin from the turkey. So we're gonna go in here. See that? Look at that, huh?
Look at that.
Okay. We're gonna.
Never thought about using a spatula.
So,
that's a good idea. Good tip.
You've been in the leads before, you learned some things.
Now, how are you going to get it into the legs?
Listen.
Oh. Wow.
When you have a French chef screaming at you, you find ways to do things, you know?
So do you have salt in that mix?
Yes, salt and pepper. And we're going to season
Just because I know that the turkeys themselves are very low sodium,
right.
Which is great. Super healthy.
Yes, but the French season everything.
You need to season it.
Taste.
Combine the flavors,
I know.
bring it out.
What happened here? We skip a side? Okay. Yeah, we thought we skipped this side, huh? Oh, that's okay. All right. That's right.
Well, now we can see how it's done by a professional.
Just go in there and just see. I was a lot faster than you. You're very slow, huh?
So tell me again what's in this mixture.
Okay.
Butter, salt, pepper, parsley?
Like a hot pepper, like a long hot.
A long hot.
Right. Cilantro.
Cilantro. Mmm.
Yeah, I love it.
I love cilantro.
And raw garlic, pureed. And the butter.
Butter, lots of butter.
Yeah, butter, always
You're
butter.
not going to fit that in there.
What? Huh? Are you kidding me? Listen. How many times you cook with me? Huh?
I know, I know.
How many pounds of butter do you think I put in my potato puree? Like 10 pounds of butter in one potato.
Butter makes it better.
Yeah, butter. Okay, so you're gonna put the rest of the butter in this side, over here, and then in the front, okay? We're gonna season this all up on the outside. Inside. Huh? That's
now you've got to clean that.
Yeah, that's right. I don't clean this. Can I clean this? Thank you. All right. That's it. Then we put this in here and some in here. Okay. Inside the cavity is important.
I noticed you have part of the wing off.
Yeah, I cut it off just because.
Fit it?
Yes.
Yep.
Well, you can leave it on, but. Take this
What a
little
beautiful
pepper.
turkey.
Put some pepper on. That's a good Italian. Huh? Did you ever do this before?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now I want to lift
It's
this
going
up.
to be so tasty.
Let's put the 2 wings down on the bottom first. And we'll put the turkey on top of these.
You want salt on him? On them?
Yep. Go ahead. Yep. Rock and roll. Fantastic. Look at this.
Okay.
Okay. We'll just leave this here. Now, what we would do with this stuffing here, which is, I love this, is killer, right?
Yeah, it's really
Okay,
good.
what I would do is put it on a sheet tray and put it in the refrigerator and get it cold. Because you don't want to put this hot stuffing in this cold bird.
So you cool it down.
Cool it down.
Put it in the fridge or no?
Yes.
Just let it cool down. Okay.
You can put it in the fridge, you can cool it room temperature and then finish it in the fridge. And then you want to season it, you season the cavity. And what I do, and I'm going to stuff this bird for just this show, but I would never stuff it hot.
Never stuff it hot.
Never.
Okay.
Because then it would be sour and you can kill somebody. Guess how many people I've killed in the restaurant business?
0.
0.
Okay, look at that bird. 18 pounds of goodness.
Give me a spoonful.
Okay.
Right now. That's perfect.
Is he going to
Awesome. That's
stay
good.
in there?
That's perfect.
All right.
Okay, now let's take a little olive oil.
Yep. This olive oil?
Now, and I cover it with this. Or butter.
Or butter?
You know. Butter.
Something tasty.
Huh? Okay, that's good. Now, we're going to take the bird out that we have done. Can
So
you
this
handle
would
that?
go.
My girl.
This would go into the oven at what? You said 200? Low and
250.
slow
I
if you
started
want
a little
to?
high, but you know, you ever hear about putting a brown paper bag over top of your turkey?
Yeah, sure.
Butter the paper bag first. I always do that. And then I take the butter, right here, hon. And then
Wow,
I take
look
it
at
off.
that
So that's killer.
bird.
All right,
Gorgeous.
Whew.
Whew.
So we can take this one. All right, and
smells
we're going to
so
slice this
good.
up. All right.
He's all browned up. He looks like this guy.
I know. It's not that guy, though.
Now, do you let him sit and rest for a little while?
Rest
How
for
long
a
do
half
you
an
let
hour.
it? A half hour.
Yep.
But he doesn't get cold, huh?
No. Hear that sound? That's
Crispy.
good. That's good. That means you did a good job.
Crunch.
This is how you cook turkey?
Yeah.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Did you do Thanksgiving?
No, I didn't.
Huh?
I work
Turkey's
Thanksgiving.
not just for Thanksgiving.
I know.
The stuffing smells great.
It's killer. Okay.
It's cooked perfect.